Welcome to another inspiring dance lesson from Belly Dance Body and Soul. I'm dancing here to an ancient Roman song with my ancient Roman ring. It's 2,000 years old. It's an artifact in an ancient Roman theater in Malaga, southern Spain. So this is our chance to dance in history and imagine what the people, the performers, the audience felt like and moved like here. So with great belly dance posture, we're going to reach up to the sky and roll down one vertebrae at a time. My knees are soft. And then I'm going to roll back up with beautiful prayer hands and sweep my arms around in a big circle. And again, reach up to the sky, stretch out, inhale. Exhale as you roll down slowly, soft knees, and hang here for a moment. You can sway from side to side. The other side, center, and roll back up. We're going to do a little qigong to start this. Really ground ourselves. We're going to expand our chest. And exhale as your palms come back together and float down, back toward the ground. Again, inhale. Expand your chest. Feel that wonderful breath. And exhale. Turn palms down to the ground. Inhale. Looking out your eyes, feeling your connection through your feet to the ground wherever you stand. Exhale. 2 more times. Expand. Nice. Flow with me. Now stretch out your neck, roll forward. As you roll back, no need to tip your head way back. Just a subtle back roll from shoulder to shoulder. And switch directions. Nice and easy, straining nothing. Inhale across your wrists and exhale. Warm those arms up. Beautiful hands. Belly dancing doesn't have to be complicated to be beautiful. There's intention. Speed it up. This is what I was doing in my flamenco classes in Sevilla and Granada. Shift your hip out just a little bit, keeping both of your knees bent. No need to stand completely straight all the time. And faster, faster, faster. Choreo with your hands, these wrist circles. Feels really good to do wrist circles. You can do them anytime during the day. Take a break from work while you're waiting in line. Snaking up. This move's a little difficult. I have a whole video on this move. Finger ripple out. And hug yourself. Exhale. Inhale, bring your chest bone forward. Exhale, collapse in. Inhale, chest bone forward, look up at the sky. Swim forward with your breastbone and undulate back. This is an upper body undulation. Scoop up with that breastbone and lay back. I'll go into very slow snake arms. Take a sip of water. This is another great song. All these songs that I can find, I put on my Belly Dance Body and Soul Spotify list, so please check it out. Back into snake arms. Drawing that circle with my shoulder blades, shoulder shimmy. My shoulders are nice and low, not up near my ears. Nice and relaxed and low, and there's energy all the way to my fingertips. See how my arms are extended? There's no T-Rex arms, right? Shoulder shimmy, take a little stroll. Slow it down. Raising your hands up, keep your shoulders low. Back into the snake arms. Got really good belly dance posture now. My pelvis is tucked, my knees are bent. More floreos, and a rib cage circle. So circling, I'm isolating just my rib cage is moving. Things are following it, but the focus is really my rib cage. Just stepping around in a circle in the same direction and change direction. Carving out that circle, that horizontal circle with my rib cage. And you, do a little you with your rib cage. And rib cage slides, just sliding on a horizontal plane from left to right. Up and over rib cage, up and over. Reach, let your head drop and follow. And back to a slow rib cage circle. Feel good? Doing very slow hip movements now. We've worked our way down the body. Accent, accent. I'm just bending one knee more than the other, right? Drop, 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 drop. Beautiful hands. Change my hands just a little bit. Hips are still drop, 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 drop. If that's too much, you can choose to do just hands or just hips. You can think of these as drops or accents up. It's really up to you. Whatever makes it easier for you to do a move that looks similar to this. Those are the hands of Fatma. I love that move. Stacked palms forward. Learned that one from Jill Parker. Keep those hips going. Layer your arms on top. Do whatever you like with your arms. You can imitate me or do something else that you've learned recently you want to practice. Just keep those hips going like a clock. Tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. If your hips were making a sound, it would be like a metronome or a drum. Doom, 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 ticka, doom, ticka, doom, ticka, doom, ticka, doom, ticka. I added a little shimmy. Doom, ticka, 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 doom. Have fun with this. It's a little 3/4 shimmy. Sometimes it's easier to do when you're walking, so if you really can't get it when you're standing in place, try picking up your feet and walking around a little bit. It's always good to rehearse it standing in place as well, so you know you master the move, but if you want to get the feel, walk around. Oh, shoulder shimmy. I really like peeking at people over my shoulder. I think it's really fun as an audience member to be peeked at. Keeping up the 3/4, doom, take a doom, take a doom, take a doom, take a right, like a left, take a right, like a left. Ooh, stepping forward and out. Forward and out. Make sure there's no tension in your face. Oh, now the shimmy is on. Turn it up, turn it up. The full-on shimmy. Knees are super soft. Your thighs are shaking. It feels great. Change direction if you want. And a shoulder shimmy in there. Nicely done. Have a sip of water. Keep drinking water all day. Ancient Roman theater. That's right. Thank you so much for dancing with me. Please go to Belly Dance Body and Soul for some more wonderful videos.